We start in week 9 with chapter 13, which is the blood system in your textbooks. Pay attention in that chapter. Again, it very well starts very detailed, I should say, with the anatomy and physiology, all the different types of cells, things like that. Go through those, make sure you understand them. I would really focus on your yellow vocabulary, which is quite a big grouping of terms there for you to make sure you know. And then we get into our blue boxes. There's not a lot of new terms or word parts, I should say, in the terminology portion this chapter. Some new combining forms and then suffixes, no prefixes. And some of these are repeats, so that's really nice too. Really, the bulk of this chapter is going to be issues. Looking at all the different types of anemias is a big deal. The different types of leukemias is a big deal. Lab tests, okay? What lab tests can be done and clinical procedures can be done and why. And then the abbreviations. Have a great week.